not being on the Nerdy Dude Squad.
Blocks. Blocks.
Anyone spare some
Blocks.
Being on the Nerdy Dude Squad.
Nerdy dude stuff.
For those of you keeping track at home, today's beer of the day is quite unique. This was sent to me by a subscriber to the P.O. Box in the description. Thank you very much, Steven. This beer comes out of Dorchester Brewing, out of Dorchester, Massachusetts. Let's go Dunkin' Donuts, Tom Brady, Lobster, Boston Red Sox, Rocks. Anywho, this is called Light Year Journey New England IPA. This has a beautiful, nice, super hazy, but light coloring, 6% alcohol by volume, large notes of tropical flavors on the front end with some tropical, juicy mouthfeel and very refreshing, easy to drink. This would probably be one of those IPAs that you introduce to someone as like an IPA light. It's not too offensive on the hops. Nice, juicy aromatics and mouthfeel. I give this a 4 out of 5. Cheers to you guys, and especially cheers to you, Steven.
Bink! What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video specifically about Blockcreate, because this has been super exciting, fun times. I'm enjoying this new update that we have been going through for the past 2 days. If this is your first time on the channel, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, like this video. Once again, thank you very much, Steven. Cheers to you, buddy. If you guys want to send me beer to review, there's a P.O. box in the description of this video. I'll get it. I'll review it. Give you a shout out on the channel, just like Steven. Thank you very much. Anyway, let's talk about Block. Now, we did a couple of videos this week about the Blockcreate game, the Blockcreate price going up. Today, we're going to talk about the Block rewards that we have received. You're going to be seeing two things that you're not going to see on your side. Well, actually, one thing you're not going to see on your side. Three things you're actually not going to see on your side. So we're going to go over that all on the computer screen. We're going to be super duper transparent. Yes, we are the leader of the Nerdy Dude Squad. Yes, there is a 2% tax on being in the team. That is something that's subject to change. We will talk about opportunities with that if it's something that I can cycle back into the team, whether it's purchasing like logo descriptions or t-shirts or something like that, or doing giveaways. Probably giveaways are going to be a big one. So we'll build up the taxes and do some giveaways. You're going to see the transactions done as a team owner, and then you'll see the actual rewards, and then we are going to talk a little bit more about the actual staking process. I'm going to give my feedback on what I've experienced, and we're going to break down the game a little bit more. How distracting am I with the cube right now? So with all that said, oh, I mean, I just spilled beer on myself. Oh, well. With all that said, let's jump over to the computer screen and start looking at everything, talking about results, numbers, things in my bloops, why it's important to be on a team, and what the benefit of being on the Nerdy Dude Squad is. It's awesome. Let's go. All right, so right now, Block's price is currently sitting at half a penny. Nothing really too crazy or important there. I just like to call it out because why not? So first, we're going to touch base on the actual team, and then we're going to showcase why it's good to be on a team. Now, before I go into this, yes, I've had the benefit of being a YouTuber and getting video and content out to people and kind of being obnoxious as all piss and then just being in people's faces. So, of course, we're going to have that larger advantage. A lot of the members that are joining the team are all the first edition blocks that are coming out, but I have no doubt that when the Unlimiteds are being released to every individual and they're coming out and shipping in batches or whatever, that there's going to be larger teams that pop up to give the Nerdy Dude Squad a run. As much as I want to promote and give you propaganda to join the Nerdy Dude Squad, I also want to encourage some people to get out there and start their own teams. Right now, it might not be beneficial just because of the amount of blocks that are currently available and because of the reward structure that we're going to go over and the numbers that you're going to see of the teams currently. But if you do have that opportunity to build up like 200 people or so, I encourage you to do it. I encourage the healthy competition. So let's pull up the teams real quick, and then I will keep going with what I want to show. Right here, we are the Nerdy Dude Squad. We're waiting for our block Unlimited to come in. We're going to, of course, add it to the Nerdy Dude Squad. It comes with an NFT. This block does, the first edition one, which is just, this is the Nightlight. I've gotten a lot of comments about why would I want to get this if it's just a Nightlight. Well, the block Unlimiteds are going to require Wi-Fi connectivity to participate in the games and to earn rewards. So I'm not sure if there's going to be an NFT linked into the Algo wallet provided, or it will require the block. We'll see when that block comes out. If it is an NFT, we can consolidate those into one wallet. theoretically, to earn rewards in that one wallet instead of having 6 wallets spread out. So with that said, Nerdy Dude Squad, we are going to just click on Browse Team. We're going to go to my team here in just a minute. And as of right now, you can see there's the team structures are broken down into tiers. Tiers 1 through whatever the heck we've got going on right now. And it's all individually leveled in requirements. The Nerdy Dude Squad is so high, and it's so amazing to see this, that we have set the bar. Every time we get more members, we keep setting the bar to the point where the teams get lower in tier level, and we are just the highest. So let's go ahead and click on our team. We'll see how many members we have. So right now we have 182 members. This is awesome. 182 members. Keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. If you haven't joined, again, propaganda, join the Nerdy Dude Squad. We are going to, right now we have a 2% tax, and we're going to show that transaction on screen as well. 182 members, power, all that stuff, whatever. The last video that we talked about, and the nearest team is Blockstreet Boys now, because Team No Tax disappeared. But now we've got Blockstreet Boys up with 54 people. So I encourage growth and to come at us. Let's go. And I like the name Blockstreet Boys, BSP. So one thing that you'll notice that I talked about in the last video is staking. We have to stake for every 16 team members. We have to stake a block to provide charge to those team members so we can get rewards. As of this very moment, I don't know who I'm staking. I think that this is a screen that you guys don't have. It's me who assigns we're going to say the Nerdy Dude captains. So the Nerdy Dude captains are going to be staking their blocks for every 16 blocks that we have. I know I asked for volunteers, but as of right now, I have no way of determining who these blocks are. So I just kind of went through, and I know that Dot and Soul and Ada have lower powers or rewards. So we've just been randomly staking like the polka dots. So we're going to see if we have to stake that one there. Nope, we don't have to stake because we're at that threshold right now until we get more members. So I've been going through and doing that. What I need them to do is to upload I don't need a password. No, there's no password. We're going to close that. What they need to do is they need to update those blocks to have their number, whether it's first edition or unlimited, and have that number there. So that way, if you go, hey, I've got block 0420, then I volunteer to stake, I can then go through here and look for block 0420 and go, oh, it's this one right here, and I can designate you as a staker. So that's an issue that I'm having. That's the only activity that we have right now in this game, other than going on Twitter and liking our post in the Nerdy Dude Squad, because we want to win those 2 blocks over on Twitter. We talked about this before, and we're going to probably be giving one away to the Nerdy Dude Squad and one away to people that watch on YouTube that aren't in the squad just yet, to make it fair for everybody. Now, with all that said and done, we are going to first bring up the reward structure. So how much rewards did you actually get? The title of the video, the thumbnail, all that stuff. This is how the reward structure is broken down. If you're in first place, you get 16% more rewards than what you have been earning. So we're going to show my wallet here in just a second, but I had been earning 576 blocks a day. Now I've earned 661. That's 16% more than what I've been earning. Unfortunately, if you have a lower paying out block, like paying at 120 or 113, 16% is nothing really to shake a stick at in terms of that actual number. But when you have more blocks and more larger blocks, then you get bigger rewards, and that's nice to see. Second place, 8%. Third place, 4%. Third place, 4%. Fourth place will be completely neutral. And then they have the tiers underneath 5 to whatever, where there's going to be penalties. They really still haven't come out and said there's penalties to your actual rewards. I think, though, that's kind of the impression that I'm getting, that there might be penalties to your rewards. If you guys are in one of the lower tier teams and you noticed a decrease in your rewards, please leave a comment below. Last thing, the moment we've all been waiting for. Here's my wallet address. So you can see here, every day before the game started, we were getting 576 blocks. Here's a transaction for 661 blocks. That was our rewards for day 1. And then here's a transaction for 661 blocks. That was last night. That was for day 2 rewards. So you can see that 16% increase. Now you might be saying, oh, Nerdy Dude or Price, whatever you call me. There's a transaction for 1,000 blocks here and 827 blocks there. What are those? These are the team owner assets. These are the team owner rewards. Now, on the notes here, I don't think I could pull it up. Well, there's a lot of blocks going on. I don't see where I can pull up the memo, but on the mobile wallet, the memo will say team owner, or like team owner allocation. So that's what this is. I believe this is where that 2% tax comes into play. So that's 877 or 827 blocks. And then yesterday, because we are growing the team and getting bigger, we got 1,044 blocks. So being completely transparent. If you guys have any issue with the taxes, please let me know in a comment below. If you have ideas for me to circulate them back into the Nerdy Dude Squad by absolute means, like, please let me know. We can do some giveaways on the YouTube channel utilizing those taxes to the members. If you don't mind me having the taxes or taking a cut because I provide the content, because I'm getting the information, because I'm building the team and stuff like that, let me know what your opinions are. I'm very open to the community on this. I know some people are trying to recruit for their teams with the incentive of, we don't have any taxes. Well, I get it. Fine, if that's what's going to work for you. But at the end of the day, the rewards that we're all getting, my members and the Nerdy Dude Squad, you guys aren't losing anything technically with the taxes because that's the rewards you're getting. I guess it's like health insurance where it's like pre-tax or, your income pre-tax or something like that. But I don't think that would be healthy for a team organization because you want to do things where, maybe we use the taxes and we buy more blocks and we keep adding the blocks in. I don't know. Whatever you guys want, let me know. I'm totally open to the community feedback. Even though I'm the team owner, I want to make this like a group decision right away and just be completely transparent on that. So overall, very, very, very happy with the past 2 days, the rewards that we've gotten. So if we've done 576 minus 661, I know I did that backwards. It's 85 times 2. So just from the rewards alone in 2 days, we've earned 170, and we'll multiply that by the current price. So we've earned just shy of $1. I mean, with the price fluctuating around, we've earned just shy of $1 in additional rewards to what we're getting, plus the taxes, which we're just not going to bother calculating that. So I am interested to hear what you guys have to say or think about, so please leave a comment about that below. Anywho, that's about it for me today, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Discord or Twitter. Links for that is in the description of this video, as well as a P.O. box where you can send me beer for me to review and to enjoy. Send me your favorite beer, and I'll give you an honest opinion on it. Steven, thank you very much. I do appreciate the New England IPA from Dorchester. That's one thing I really loved about the New England beer scene is their IPAs. We have local breweries here in Orlando, in Florida, in Davenport, not Davenport, we don't have any breweries here, but in Claremont that try to capture that New England IPA style, and the taste differences are insane. So you can really tell a home state New England IPA versus like something brewed down here in Florida. So Steven, once again, cheers to you and thank you very much. Other than that, links in the description for t-shirts. Go buy one. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, all that good stuff on YouTube. I'm O'Price, and we'll see you guys next time. Oh, what's that you say? What's that behind you? Oh, this is my new Merry IoT US Helium miner. So we did an unboxing of the European version. Probably not going to do an unboxing of this, but we are going to set it up. We're going to get it going, and we're going to provide video content on it, so stay tuned.